Dear students, I hope you all have revised the chapter carefully, and today we are going to start the exercises as given in this chapter. So let's start. Choose the correct option. The first question is that choose the correct option. So the first statement is, in Europe, the beginning of the modern period started in the 15th century. 15th century. Second, in India, the beginning of the modern period started with the decline of the Mughal Empire. Third, which one of the following is not an example of literary sources? Books, magazines, speeches, buildings. So, building is not an example of literary sources. Fourth statement, the Parliament building of India is in Delhi. Fifth statement, first proper census of India was done in 1881. Sixth statement, Victoria Memorial is located in Calcutta or Kolkata. Seventh statement, census was conducted by British to know about demographic patterns. Demographic patterns. Eighth statement, which one of the following is not a literary source? Manuscripts, accounts, monuments, and newspaper clippings. So monuments are not a literary source. Now ninth statement, Rasundari Devi in her writings highlighted state of women, state of nobles, state of untouchables, state of scheduled tribe. So state of women of that period. Rasundari Devi in her writings highlighted the state of women of that period. Now fill in the blanks. B. The first statement, historians have divided history into three stages, namely, as we know, ancient, medieval, and modern. Second point, the British established record rooms with the administrative institutions. Record rooms. Third statement, official records are kept in archive and museums. Official records are kept in archive and museums. Fourth statement, British carried out surveys on topography, flora and fauna. British carried out surveys on topography, flora and fauna. Now the C question, state whether true or false. So the first statement is, events that happened centuries ago need not be understood in chronological order. So this is a false statement because we need to be understand the history in chronological order. Events that happened centuries ago we need to understood in chronological order. So it is a false statement. Second, we must know the dates of minor incidents of personal nature. So it is also a false statement because there is no need to know the dates of minor incidents of personal nature in history. Now third statement, Each period of history has distinct characteristics of culture, politics, religion, etc. It is a true statement. In India, the power shifted from India Gate to Raisina Hills during the British period. It is also a false statement because in place of India Gate, it must be Red Fort. In India, the power shifted from Red Fort to Raisina Hills during the British period.